is to go to Adobe Creative Cloud and download the Creative Cloud desktop app. You can find it here, and then you click on that button and then you go down a bit and you should find, yeah, there, you should find Creative Cloud. Click download. Wait, and then it will install it for you. Well, download it, and then you click on the file and download the app. After doing this, you go to the desktop app and download all the apps that you want. Well, you don't download them, you click try. When clicking try, it will download it for you on the laptop. But after doing this, do not start the trial. After doing this, download Adobe Z. You can find its link in the description. When you go to Google Drive, only click download on the first page. Don't go into the files as it might screw up the app. Once downloaded, click on Adobe Z, and you might find that it says something about an unidentified developer. Don't worry, just go to settings and click set security and privacy, and then click open anyways and open. After this, open the app and click patch. After doing this, you may open any Adobe apps you downloaded and use it for unlimited time. Also, don't patch the apps unless they're fully installed, as the glitch might not work if you do that. After doing this tutorial, do not click start trial. To find the app, go to applications and find it, or click on the launchpad and find it there. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment down below what you may use this for and what you think about it, and if it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.